Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to Forever Pathfinder and myself Krishna Sinha, subnetting guru and a CCNA trainer. And today in this video we are going to complete the assessment for session 4 of CCNA 200301 free online classes by subnetting guru Krishna Sinha. So guys, here in this video, like in session 4, we have covered VLSM, VLAN and DSCP. So in this task, we are going to configure a network in which we will perform the VLSM. As you can see here on the screen, we have a task here. So the task is, yes, here it is. So we have a network 192.168.0.0/24 and we have to divide that network in three segment, which is sales, marketing and admin. We have requirement of 50 hosts in sales, 100 hosts in marketing and 25 hosts in admin. So we have to divide that network, a classful network, into classless in three subnetwork and do the variable length subnet mask. This is the first task. The second task, we have to implement that VLSM scenario, VLSM thing in the real environment in that scenario which we have here on the screen in the Cisco packet tracer. So what we have to configure there, we have to change the name of the router with our name. The second task is we have to create VLANs on the router as per the router on a stick process. We have to give the IP address to each and every PC of each VLAN through DSCP. We have to assign the switch port from FA0/2 to 10 to sales network, from FA0/11 to 20 to marketing network, and from FA0/21 to 24 in the admin network. And after that we have to check like that different networks are communicating between each other or not, the connectivity is okay or not. So let's start and check how to configure that. So first of all, I'm going here and I'm dividing the network. Okay, let us go. So we have the IP address given here, 192.168.0.0/24, and we have a requirement of 50, 100 and 25 host for A, B, C. In A we have a requirement of 50 host, B we have a requirement of 100 and C we have a 20. Let me check, sorry, 25, 50, 100 and 25. Okay, so here we go and try to perform the VLSM according to the requirement host. And as we all know that we have to divide the network in the decreasing order. So first of all, we will assign the network to B, then A and then C. So for B, I'm going to take, as we have a requirement of 100, so we will use the subnet mask 255.255.255.128 and the network range would be from 0 to 120 127. Okay, now for 50 host we will take the subnet mask 255.255.255.192 and the network range would be from 128 to 191. And for C network we will use 255, 255, 255 and 224. The network range would be from 192 to 223. Yes, now let's start configuring the network. So I'm going here and enable config T, host name Krishna. Now, so as we can see here, like the port which is connected to the network is Z0/0/0. So we'll go to the interface mode, Z0/0/0, and we will create three sub interface. Before that we will do no shut here, then int z 0/0 for 10 for VLAN 10, 20 for VLAN 20 and 30 for VLAN 30, and we will encapsulate that. 10 is for encapsulation .1q 10, 20 is for 20, and 30 is for 30. Cool. Now we will provide the IP address on each sub interfaces. So I will go ahead and on sub interface 10 I am going to provide the IP address 192.168.0. So here we have for this network 192 to 128 to 191. So I will provide 129 to router, 255 255 255, and subnet mask 192. Let me check once again. Yes, 192. Now come to port number 20. The IP address would be 1 and the subnet mask 128. Now let us come to 30. The IP address would be 193. Let me check. 192 to 223. So 193 would be the net IP address of the router, and 255 255 255 224. Sorry, something is wrong. Here it is. Cool. So IP int brief 129 193. Cool. Now we will also run the DHCP here. So let us come here, IP DHCP pool. So for sales, network would be 192.168.0.128, and the subnet mask 255 255 255 129. Sorry, subnet mask for that network is 192. Let me check. Yes, 192, and default router would be 192.168.0.129. Okay. Now for marketing we will do the network 0, subnet mask would be 128, and the default router would be 1. For admin, the network would be, the subnet mask is 224, and the network would be 192. 192. Cool. Now let us come to the switch configuration. For VLAN, enable config T, VLAN 10, name sales, VLAN 20, name marketing, VLAN 30, name admin, and int range from FA0/2 to 10, 2 to 10 for switch port access VLAN 10, from 11 to 20 VLAN 20, and 21 to 24 VLAN 30, and int FA0/1 would be the switch port mode trunk. Cool. Now let us check and let us see that the systems are getting the IP address automatically or not. So the first PC of this network, I am going here and checking for it. Yes, the IP address, no, it's getting APIPA. So let me try, because right now the port is still not configured here, so we will wait for a few seconds. Let us try once again. Yes, now it's getting 192.168.0.130. Let me check the second PC of this network. 31 and 32. Very good. Let us come to the marketing network. The first PC, it's getting 2. Okay. 3. Very good. 4. Excellent. Now come to the third network. First PC 194. Very good. Uh, okay, I think it's not getting the default gateway here. It means something is wrong. Let me check once again. Yes, there is something wrong with that configuration. So let me check. Do so run. So here we have network default router 129. Okay, default router 1 for admin. Okay, so here is the reason. So for admin we have not assigned the default router, that is why it's getting the issue. So let me go to that uh, IP DSCP pool admin default router 192.168. For admin we had 192 on the router, right? 193. Okay, so 0.193. Let us check once again. Right, 193. Very good. And the 196. Excellent. So let us try to communicate between inter-VLAN. So I'm going to check the connectivity from this PC of admin VLAN to sales network. So I'm just going to ping 192.168.0.3. Let us check. Woo, done. So now everything is configured. Now let me check the task here. Okay, so we have done the VLSM here, done, VLSM done, implementing and the host name done, VLAN on a router done, DSCP we have configured DSCP as well, switch port done, this is done, this is done. So everything is done now. Cool. So I hope you guys learns a lot from this video and you also like this video. So I request you, if you really like this video, so give a like, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video. And if you really like my videos, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the regular notification and the updates of my videos. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.